So it's Saturday morning, and yesterday we did the Capital Cap to Cap bicycle ride. In total, we did about 30 miles. We were going to do 50, but the weather just didn't seem to be cooperating. Came out to the boat late last night, and then today, or this weekend, what we plan on doing is, one, we're going to participate in our first race. Sydney's going to be with us this weekend, and we'll see where it goes from there. So I just got back from the captain's meeting, and we're going to be doing our first race today with the yacht club here at our marina. And I've never done this before, or we have never done this before. And I think we need to be out there in time to go across the starting line, somehow time it to where it's within the start time, not cross early. Don't know how that's going to work. But then they gave us a course that is 6 miles long, and we start at this one buoy over here. We will go all the way to this second buoy, past this one on the port side, past this one on the port side, and I think this one we just kind of have to go back through. There's going to be 6 boats in it total, and the interesting thing is they do a handicap on the different boats. So you can have different boats, different lengths, sizes, weights, all that stuff, and they have a handicap score. And ours is actually the fastest boat that's going to be out there today, which means we have the least amount of handicap. So we can finish first, but still maybe lose from the handicapping perspective. But I have no idea. But as first race, we're going to see how it works.
Okay, so we're getting out to the start of the race, and it's very choppy out here today. Sydney's helping drive the boat. Yep. Good job, Captain.
All right.
I'm the captain.
Sydney's in charge of the boat turned into the wind.
Sydney is at the helm. I am still captain.
I'm driving the boat right now. Where's the captain hat?
All right. I'd like you to bear into the wind, please. Go to the port side. Go up. Are you into the wind?
Yes.
Oh, my hat.
Oh no! His hat!
Hat overboard.
I'm diving in for that.
The first leg of the race was downwind, and we have not yet mastered the straight downwind sailing. So we were having a little difficulty with managing the head sail, but we worked through it and continued on course. The turn after the first marker was putting us on a course into the wind. Even before going into it, we could see other boats ahead of us were heeling pretty hard. Once we made the turn, and even though it was strong winds, we had the sails reefed, we felt more comfortable going into the wind as opposed to downwind, and we began to make better progress on the course.
So we've passed 2 boats. We are in 4th place then?
Yeah.
Yep.
4th place.
There's 6 boats in the race.
And that means we have 3 more boats to pass. And I see one over there.
We reefed the jib
sail a little bit more, which means we brought it in so there's less of it out, making it a little more manageable. Okay, we are going around the red buoy. Still in the race.
And hopefully we pass on the proper side. I thought they said the port side, but it looks like everybody else is going on the starboard side. We'll see.
So we have to just sail back out. We are in first place, I believe. Wind has actually died down a little bit, but it's still pretty strong. So we pulled ahead.
Pull ahead.
We pulled ahead of the red boat that was in front of us. We are nearing the end of the race.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God. We are at the finish line. The wind is not cooperating. Yes.
So Sydney, I want to say I'm impressed you stuck with us on this.
What was I gonna do, jump off?
Because I think we heeled the boat over more than we ever have. And it was a little scary for a little while. And I think it's all part of the learning process, but Sydney had to go through it the hard way with us.
And she did a great job steering the boat into the wind when we put the sail up, the main sail up, and very helpful crew member.
Yep.
You're welcome.
The thing that I kept remembering and kept telling myself when we were actually heeling over so much, some of the articles that I read about how the boats are designed, and they're basically designed to where they won't capsize, and eventually the boat will just right itself up again. And I kept reminding myself of, hey, I read this article that said that can't happen.
Yeah, you being calm definitely helped me a lot. And I was praying.
It was a little scary, I will admit. It was interesting. But you know what? Hey, we made it through it. So next time that happens, we know what to do.
Yep.
Cool. But this is much nicer.
Yeah. Big difference.
So we located Bandit. He was hiding in the closet. It's okay.